What is up, musicians and producers? Jack here again. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's my goal to help creative music makers make better music at home. Today I've got a special video brought to you by the music production experts over at onyourfrequency.com. Now, On Your Frequency is an amazing new platform for music creators where you can get answers, lessons, and feedback on demand whenever you need it from experts via live video chat. The best part is you can post a question whenever you like. An expert will connect with you via video chat instantly, and you can start talking right away. Now, a quick little disclaimer, this video is sponsored by On Your Frequency, but with that being said, I take sponsored content very seriously, and all the thoughts and opinions expressed in this video are my own. You can rest assured knowing that I will never work with or promote a product or service that I don't personally either believe in or agree with. So how does On Your Frequency work? Well, you can use it two ways. One, on demand. If you have a question or you want feedback on a track, you can post it on the app and you will be immediately connected via video chat with an expert in your DAW or your software that you're working with. Their video pops up almost instantly and you can start talking right away. And the best part is that first 10 minutes that you're on that chat is completely free. And hey, a lot of the times, maybe the question that you have can easily be answered within that first 10 minutes. Well, that's awesome. Just end the call, move on to what you're doing, and come back if you need another tip for another free 10 minutes. But if you do want to extend that time, you can schedule with that instructor at a later date, or you can stay on the line, pay whatever you wish to keep that chat rolling past that 10 minutes and keep talking to that instructor. It's super flexible, but like I said, that first 10 minutes is always free, and how much you pay after that is totally up to you. Now, the second way that On Your Frequency works is by booking lessons ahead of time with a specific instructor. Now, you can search the platform for an instructor that seems like they would be interesting or meet your needs, or you can reach out to someone you're familiar with, such as myself or other YouTubers who are also using the platform. Now, why should you use something like On Your Frequency? Although we live in a world with numerous videos, courses, and tutorials for new producers, the options can be overwhelming, and it's becoming increasingly harder to find one-on-one mentorship or lesson style instruction where the feedback is tailored directly to you, where you're at, and your music. And I think that On Your Frequency offers that in a way that I haven't seen before. The simplicity, the ease of access, the ability to connect nearly instantly one-on-one with someone who is there and willing to talk to you about your stuff so that, hey, you can get your question answered and get right back to what you want to be doing, which is making music and growing in your craft. Now, I will point out that the site is still in beta and development, so there may be some bugs here or there or some features that are added or experimental throughout the process, but don't let that dissuade you. When I was first introduced to this platform, I just thought, duh, why doesn't something like this already exist? Well, it does. It's awesome, and I think it's here to stay. The basic functionality is there for you to get on, get what you need, and get interacting with experts so that you can break through those walls and keep growing your craft and leveling up, because that's what we're all here to do, right? I really do think that this platform has the potential to explode within the next year and become a mainstream hit in the music production community. So I really want my viewers and my subscribers to have a chance to get on board as soon as possible and make their mark on that community while it's still small and super accessible before it becomes a mainstream hit. Now, if you're interested in checking out On Your Frequency, go ahead down in the description and click the link, and do use my invite code. That's Jack2671. If you do that, when you sign up, you'll get a free On Your Frequency sample pack and a second free sample pack when you post your first question. In addition, starting now, I will be working on the platform as an instructor, so if you'd love to connect with me one-on-one, do be sure to check out my profile on Your Frequency and schedule or request a lesson with me. I'd love to check out what you're working on and help you on your journey to music greatness. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you're a new producer and you're looking for some help or some feedback, I hope you will consider checking out On Your Frequency, and I hope that you found value in this video. If you do check out On Your Frequency, be sure to use my invite code Jack2671 to get your hands on those 2 official On Your Frequency free sample packs. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Please do subscribe with the bell notification on to stay up to date on all my future uploads, and I will see you all in the next upload. Peace.